Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be taking a look at testing and reviewing this cordless screwdriver which I recently bought while out shopping at Lidl supermarket here in the UK. Right, so here it is, the Parkside Cordless Baton Screwdriver 4V, model number PSSA 4B2. Here is the sleeve that it comes in and it gives you various information. It tells you that it's a 4V powered electric screwdriver with a 2 amp hour battery. The maximum torque on this is 10 Newton meters. That's not too bad for an electric screwdriver. 200 RPM, and it comes with a range of accessories, a USB Type-C charging cable. That's good. If you're like me and you've got an Android type phone, you might have a USB Type-C cable, so you could use that cable for charging this up. And it also has this rotatable handle for a rod or gun shape, so you can sort of twist it, turn it into a kind of long screwdriver also. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. So it comes with the instruction manual and it has the 3-year warranty as well. Here's the USB Type-C cable. Then you have the screwdriver and it sits in its case in the sort of long format. Interesting design. Oh, it has a button. It has a button on the top here you press to rotate it. I had one of these from Lidl last year, but it was fixed in this position. It was called a rapid fire. I can't remember the model number, but it was always fixed in that position. So nice little added feature there. And you also get a decent range of accessories, bits that you can use with this screwdriver. So the carry case itself is not badly made at all. It tells you on the front here, it's got a little image of a screwdriver. It tells you that it's 4V. It's a nice small compact case. So if you want this for a bit of flat pack furniture, you don't use a screwdriver too often, you can put this in the case of all the bits. There's plenty of room in here to get everything back in, so that's good. Put the charger there, and then you can just pack that away for the next time you want to use it. And it's got these clips on here, so all in all, a pretty decent little case. Right, so let's take a look at the unit itself. It has this rubberized grip all around it. The trigger has a little grip on it too. You've got the lock function, reverse and then forward. It has the work LED on the front there. The USB Type-C charging port is there, and there's no cover on it. Interestingly, that's just exposed and open. Not sure whether that might get dust inside it, who knows. The battery indicator is here. I've got 2 bars I need to charge it, and then the torch button is at the back here, so you can turn this into a torch as well. Interesting feature. I've never thought about using my electric screwdriver as a torch, but it doubles up as a torch, so that's cool, and you can turn that on and off. Then you've got the button on the top here, and you press that and you can rotate it and turn it into a kind of mini drill. Feels good in the hand, feels well made, solid, chunky. If you drop this, it should be alright, probably bounce. Doesn't feel like it'd fall apart. So far so good. Okay, so now it's had a full charge. You can see the full indication there. I'm just going to take one of the bits provided, and these fit in magnetically into the chuck in the end.
Here is the electric screwdriver next to a regular screwdriver for comparison. So now I'm going to give the electric screwdriver a test. I'm going to be using screws ranging from around 3 centimeters up to 5 centimeters. So to start off here, I'm driving these directly into softwood. I wouldn't recommend doing this. I just wanted to give this a go to really show what it can do and see what it's made of. And surprisingly, it didn't have much trouble at all driving these screws into this softwood. So then I did the same again with the same screws, but this time I've drilled pilot holes so that you can see in a more usual situation, driving a screw into a pre-made hole, and it did this quite easily, no problem at all. I wouldn't recommend screwing in anything larger than this. I'd use a drill for that.
Okay, so that is about it for the review. So my first impressions on this electric screwdriver, I personally think for £14.99 it's a bargain, considering that it comes with a carry case, with a range of accessories, USB cable to charge it. It's 4 volts, so it's quite a powerful electric screwdriver. It's got the twist function, so you can use it as a normal shaped screwdriver, maybe to get into more awkward spots, and you can also use it when you twist it as like a miniature drill. And it has a light here to guide you, and it also has that torch light at the back, and it's got battery indicator, so it's pretty much got everything you'd want in an electric screwdriver, especially for under £15. So if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.